In this quick demo, we'll see how to connect and manage GitHub repositories in Dagen. From the sidebar, go to Code Repos, then click on Connect GitHub Account. Enter your personal access token and click Save to set it as your default. Once connected, all your repositories will appear here. From this list, you can import an existing GitHub repository as a dbt pipeline or a Spark pipeline. In this example, we'll import an existing dbt pipeline. Next, go to dbt pipelines. The imported pipeline will appear here, including the DAG view, project files, and models. Dagen also offers VS Code integration. You can follow the provided instructions to set it up and start using it directly in VS Code. You can also manually connect a repository. Simply provide the repository URL and add a personal access token for authentication if needed. This can be used if no default token is set or if you want to override it. To manage personal access tokens, click on Manage Existing at the top. From here, you can update, clear, or remove tokens as needed.